My name is Doug Allan and I'm a wildlife and expedition cameraman. I've been doing that for about 35 years. Before that, for about 10 years, I was a diver, scientist, stills photographer working on expeditions in the Antarctic. And it was a chance meeting with David Attenborough in 1981 and having the chance to work with his film crew for just a couple of days that opened my eyes to the world of wildlife filming. It's an immense privilege being given the amount of time that we are given to spend in very special places with very special animals and in the company of some wonderfully accomplished scientists. And all the time you're feeling that you are contributing to something worthwhile. I have to say I use maths all the time. Basic photography, when you pick up a camera, there are basically three controls which are all have got numbers to do with them, so to speak. You can control the size of the hole in the lens that you let the light through. You can change the amount of time that hole is open to let the light through. And those two different things have got a big effect on the eventual photograph. So what I mean is we're always juggling these two, because if you change one, you have to change the other. To be able to do those things automatically does require you to think mathematically. But of course, when you go underwater and when you go diving, that's even more important, because underwater, the deeper you go, the more air you're going to get through, because you're effectively breathing air at higher pressures. So you need to be able to work out how long your air is going to last at, say, 10 metres versus how long it's going to last if you're down at 20-25 metres. And then there's all kinds of things that you need to take into account. Now, there are computers that we can use that measure these things and will tell you how long you have to stay at certain depths. But at the same time, it's nice to have numerical intimacy. In other words, it's nice to be able to think in maths terms. Then you look at the computer, and when the two of them are the same, then you know that your computer is working and also that your head is working. Learning maths will take your mind into places that it wouldn't be otherwise exposed to, and that has to be a good thing. It has to be an exciting thing.